Good morning, and it's me again, Michelle, your expat evolve, and I'm here to share another video with you. Let me introduce myself again. My name is Michelle Cordy, and I have been recording my journey here in Panama since leaving the U.S. I've been here about 6 months, so I left the U.S. back in May, the end of May, and I've been living my life in Panama as a retiree. So I share a lot of information on this channel, my journey to Panama, how I got here, what am I doing while I'm here. And I just continue to share that information along with I do a little bit of travel, a little bit of excursions, a little bit of cultural things. So I put most of that stuff on here. Today, I wanted to share with you just a regular everyday thing that with you, and that is me running to the grocery store to pick up a quick item or two that I needed. And the grocery store is called El Rey, a young lady that I trained with, and we had coffee this morning. So I started my video there, and then I will take you through the grocery store and what a day shopping at Ray's is like, and the location to where I live. So if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned because that's coming up. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you like and subscribe to my channel. I'm glad to have you here, and oh, you're always welcome. Please, if you have any comments or any questions, please post them below. And thank you again for tuning in. Good morning and happy Christmas Eve. It is Wednesday and I am already up and out and about. I've already done my cardio for today. And now I'm right now having some coffee with a friend at Juan Valdez Coffee. It's in El Reyes. And so I'm going to show you what the little area looks like. And then I'm going to walk out here so you can see a little bit what the outside of the coffee looks like. It's in the Ray's grocery store and over here by me off of Bella Vista. So let's do it this way. There we go. It's backwards, but yeah. So I just wanted to say good morning. I hope you're having a great day. Remember to make it a positive one, and we will talk later. Good morning, guys. So I had to make a quick run to the grocery store. So I wanted to bring you guys along with me to the Ray's grocery store. I'm going to pick up a few items, and I want you to kind of get a look at the grocery store that we shop at mostly around here. So here is a coffee shop, and there is an eyeglass spot right here. So the first little area that you may see would be like the pharmacy here. And then as you come into the store, it's like a lot of Christmas decorations here. So we're gonna go over to the produce section and you can kind of see like what kind of produce they offer here. So there's your fruit. And typically, you can buy your fruit and vegetables here, but a lot of us actually go to the market, to the fresh market to pick our groceries, I mean, our fruit and produce up because they just have better prices and they offer a little bit more fresher items. So if you can see here, apples, it's like $1 a pound for these apples here. Okay. So the prices aren't too bad here, but you can, as we swing around here, you'll see the vegetables. And one thing I did notice about being here is that they do have some greenery, like lettuce and spinach, but they don't have the same type of like greens and hearty greenery that we normally eat. So it's a little different. So you just have to modify your diet to include a lot of greenery, and it may be alternative greenery. It may not be like greens and heavy collard greens, all kind of. They do have cabbage here, but I did notice that the green quality is a little bit different here. It's probably because it's fresher. I don't know, but here we go. Here was the green part, right? So I'm in the meat section, and there's a couple of different ways that you can buy your meat. You can um, buy it from here, which is chicken is $2.54 a pound. This is what it looks like. So it's almost like a butcher style. In the other grocery store I shop at, which is Reba Smith, um, the the meat is a little bit fresher, but this is kind of like how what the meat is looking like here in the Ray's grocery store. We're in the section with the sausage and everything. So, so this is kind of what chicken is going for here now. This is a pack of legs. I think it's six in here, and it's running about 267. All right, so that's that. I think this is pork. I don't know. Anyway, that's what this is. Yeah, the prices in the grocery store. Like I said, if you went to the market, you'll find a much better deal. One thing that's different here in the grocery store, you can actually buy your liquor from the grocery store. Um, they have a few brands here. You can buy, of course, in the regular store you can buy champagne, but in this grocery store you can buy your alcohol. So it can be a one-stop shop for you here. So we're gonna head down here and look for our sparkling water. So we're pretty much done here. I just wanted to pick up a few items. Yeah, so this is the the grocery store experience. They have mostly everything we need here in this store, but also there's another grocery store, the Reba Smith, like I mentioned before, and they have so pretty much for the most part we use two different grocery stores. It's kind of hard to find everything you need in one, but the prices are decent. So what I end up getting is just eggs and some bread. And now I'm waiting in line to do my checkout and spend my massive amount of money that I have here. Right. Right. And that's a done deal. We're done with the grocery store and headed back outside. I kind of want to give you an idea of where the grocery store is in relation to where I live. So as I'm walking out of the Rays, um, I'll kind of shoot across the street so you can see my building from the outside. Okay, so this is the Rays here, and I'm headed down that escalator. Here's our coffee shop again. It's my new favorite coffee spot since it's right around the corner from where I'm, right across the street from me, actually. So as I'm leaving out of the Rays, I'm headed down this escalator to go out, and I will come back to you when I get closer to the outside of the store. All right. On the way out, this is a little jewelry spot we see where they sell like different types of stones, very pretty stones, and then different types of jewelry. If you like stones like I do, you will lose your mind coming outside of the grocery store. Look how pretty. Yeah. All right. Gracias. Okay, so we're on the outside of the Rays here. We just walked outside and we're gonna cross this busy road here. Hopefully somebody will let us cross because right now sometimes they don't slow down for you as you can see. They keep going. So you have to kind of take your take your own risk. It's at your own risk here crossing the street. But we're walking across the street and as we come up, you'll see where I live at, my building, and how close it is to the Ray's grocery store. So there is really no reason why I shouldn't have anything to eat at all times since I live right across the street from the grocery store. Okay. So we're coming up on the Nouveau, and that would be my building here. So let's see. So here we go. This is where I'm currently residing at in what I call home. So we come in here. There's a parking lot right here, and then here's the front of the building. So yeah, this is it. Well, yeah. So this is the front, and I am now at home. Yeah. Yeah, we're under lock and key here, so that's how you get through with your cell phone access. But yeah, home sweet home.